So to create this look, I first went into this Tag Lilac face paint and I mapped out the area that I wanted to look pinned on, and then I painted in the rest of my face and neck in lilac. I then painted around this area with a white face paint, and then I went around the edges of that with a black one, and that's what creates this 3D look. I wanted to make the skull like pretty pastel colours, so I painted the skull nose in turquoise and also painted on a skull ribcage with the turquoise paint. To create the carved out skull cheekbones, I went into this purple paint and I just painted those in. I also used this paint to paint around the black line that I drew around the eyes, and this just makes it look more 3D as it adds more shading. Using the double dip flower technique with white and pink paints, I painted petals onto the skull face. I then went back around the eye area with a black face paint, and it kind of takes a while to build up this so that it actually looks like it's sticking off from your face. And then I also painted on some little screws, which I don't know who invented this makeup look. I didn't, but I just think it looks really cool. So it kind of looks like the eyes are pinned onto a different face. Anyway, I went into a black eyeshadow and I also shaded around this area just to once again like enhance, and you can see now it's actually starting to look 3D. I then went into a white face paint, and from where the screws are I painted highlights, and this makes it look like the skin is like actually stretched and ruffled over the eyes. And then I went into a brown eyeshadow and shaded in between the white highlights. Not sure ruffled is the right word, but you get what I mean. But anyway, I painted on some double dip flowers onto the chest area, and also some one stroke roses, which I need to do a tutorial for. For my lips I used this super cute Barbie pink sugar pill lipstick, and then over the top of that I painted super fine lines to create this sugar skull mouth. And then this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this. It's a bit random, but who cares? Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.